In this problem, we're finding an exponential function. The first thing that you will notice is that it doesn't copy and paste the same as the previous problems. And if you try to bring it over, Excel can't interpret it very well. You can, even if you try to do like a Control-Alt-V and paste it in as text, you'll see that the X's and the Y letter comes in, but the variables didn't come in. Your only option, at least the only option I know, if you know a different way around this, tell me, because I would love to know it, is to type it in. Type it in really carefully. And I say that because this is the second time I've worked this problem, and the first time I missed one digit, and my model was off because of that one digit, and I didn't get any of the right answers. Okay, on this last value, that's scientific notation. That's what technology science does when the numbers get really, really big or very, very small. And the 10 to the 6th has the effect of taking that decimal point and moving it 6 places to the right. But that's an actual calculation. So if you just start with an equal sign, you can type in the value and then do times 10 raised to the 6th. And Excel will tell you what that number is. Okay, now insert, scatter plot. And for the trend lines, you're going to want to do the separate scatter plots. You're not going to want to do the connected ones. I don't know why. I don't have a good explanation for that. I just know that Excel acts a little bit funny. Sometimes if you do the marked ones, just do the separate ones. Let me move this over. There we go. So I can see it better. Add a chart element, get a trend line, more options, exponential, and display the equation on the chart. Next, you're going to want 5 digits beyond the decimal point, and I can only see 4. So select this, and then either you can right-click and format the trend line label to get this menu back up, or if you go into Chart Design or Chart Tools up here, you should be able to find that menu again. Go to the number. General means that Excel is making the decisions, and I want to override that. Go to number, and then change my decimal places to 5. And now I've got 5 decimal places over here on my trend line label. Let me make it just a little bit larger. Okay, 9.39.39186 E raised to the 0.49787x. Okay, now that's how it looks when it's typed. That is the number E, like from college algebra, natural log, the natural number 2.718. When you put that into Excel, Excel has a function to be able to do this. So for my predicted value, 9.39186, you'll need the times sign, and then E raised to there's an EXP function. It's the exponential function, is an exponent with a base of the natural number E. And then inside the parentheses, you put the value that's in the exponent of your term. 0.49787 times, go get the X value. And I feel good if the predicted value is in the ballpark of the actual value. Makes me feel like I'm typing stuff in correctly. And then we can copy and paste those numbers in.